Let's pack Amy's order. The first thing she ordered is the Samyang half spicy chicken flavor ramen. Then 1 packet of the Samyang carbonara hot chicken flavor ramen. And also another Samyang curry hot chicken flavor ramen. 1 bag of the yaboki rice cake sticks. And then 1 of the Samyang hot chicken jjajang ramen bowl. And lastly, 1 packet of the Perfect Fine Foods white sesame seeds. And the total comes down to $41.